Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to reverse a string in Java with a simple and easy to understand program. Here's a Java program that reverses the string CodeWithSVR. The first thing we do is initialize the string str to CodeWithSVR and an empty string rever to store the reversed value. Then, we loop through the string using a for loop, and in each iteration, we add the current character to the front of the rever string. Notice that the expression rever equals ch plus rever adds each character to the front, effectively reversing the string. Finally, we print the reversed string. When you run this, the program outputs rvsthwedoc, that's the reversed version of CodeWithSVR. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Java programming tips. See you next time.